How to turn on notifications in Bilibili. First of all, open the app on your device and make sure you are logged into your account. Once the app opens, tap on the Me icon at the bottom right corner to go to your profile. After that, scroll down and tap on the Settings option. Inside the Settings menu, find and select Notification Settings. You will see the option to enable notifications. Tap on it and it will open the notification settings on your device. Toggle the switch on to enable notifications. Once enabled, you will start receiving updates and alerts from Bilibili. Now you know how to turn on notifications in Bilibili. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.